What's up, players? Just checking out this here Zire 22, Z22, Z22. I'm not sure how you really want to call it, but it's still one of my favorite palms. Like, I mean, check this out. I mean, I got two more perfect ones with super battery. I mean, that's the big thing about these guys. They last like eternity on a nice charge, and then when you want to charge it up, it's like, boom, done. 900 milliamp battery that'll last freaking 6 hours, or it depends on what you're doing. But check it out. Here's just kind of some of the basics on my Z22. Got the old, I'm big into IR games. Love IR. To me, it's like the coolest thing that Palm could have ever made. It's like, just an unbelievable. But sadly and weirdly, you can play Ace with IR. I have done it. It's not the best, but it's still, it's okay. Bejeweled, classic. Like, I mean, and this is like a 200 megahertz processor, so it's not like it looks like crap or something and runs like crap. It runs really good. That's the beauty of it. Billiards, classic. IR, man, you can get your bzzz. Yeah, that, I think I picked it up off another one of these 22s that, and dropped it over. I think Crazy Daisy came built in. Oh, Dames. Classic. It's like a choose your own adventure on the Palm. It's like, yeah, I mean, I'm not getting into it too deep. Oh, Dragonfire. Like, what? That'll work? Here, darling, can you turn that light off for a second?
I can't.
Oh. Okay, she can't. So here, let me rearrange everything real quick for you. Oops. Right there. Dragonfire plays. I was like, boom, why not? I copied basically everything off every tungsten E2 that I had. Like, hey, let's give it a try. Why not? And I was like, bam. And it's still reflecting insanely. There we go. Okay. It's still pretty bad. But like, dang. Like, boom, I'm in. Oh, hold on. Can I set some keys? We'll see. Then gotta have file caddy just in case. Oh, DigFix, one of the best programs in history. Yeah, we'll fix any digitizer like a pimp-tastic little player. Fugazi, if anybody knows the air traffic controller, love it. Old school. Very cool. InfraChat. Man, cool program. I get it to work on the text and the multi-text, but anytime I just try and send a regular picture, like a drawing, like you can, look, here, I'll show you. Yeah, don't do picture chat. Do this, and I get an error, but I mean, try it out on yours. Who knows? You know. Oh, look, see, I can't even restart, get to the home screen without it resetting. Weird. But on the first option and the last option, it works perfectly. Very strange. But hey, it works. So, and I can send chats across the room, basically. Here, let me take a swig of this beer. Come on, my little brother. There he goes. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. Keep on going. Dragonfire. Hedgehog. I think that was cool. IR Watch is cool. It's great for, I don't know. Just seeing if a remote control sends infrared. Silo, yeah, I think people probably know most of that. I can't really use it on this one because of well, you can't send TXTs straight to the internal memory. Yeah, so but still good to have on hand to send to other Palms. Kyle's Quest 2, super awesome. Super awesome. Lemmings, classic. Monopoly, easily get the free. I mean, one of the best infrared games you'll ever play in your entire life. It's like, or of any game. I mean, give your, anybody, give 3 palms. Boom, 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 boom. You're always sinking, but man, you're always playing, and it's a blast. Dang, it's a blast. I love Monopoly. And the serial numbers are available like super easy peasy online. And I may post them because I think it's straight up all abandonware at this point. Mooncast, like why not? Very cool. Sweet. Looks like a good time for me. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Oh, that keyboard. Yeah, it says it has a keyboard. I could swear I saw something the other day that said that it had an infrared keyboard. Like, how would this, maybe upside down, work with an infrared keyboard? I mean, yeah, I don't know. Par 3 golf, pack dude. Everybody knows that one. Old school, runs beautifully, looks great. Par 3, man, it takes a second. But I think this is a demo too. But still, very cool game. Whoop. Whoopsie. Right. Oh, halfway in the water. I'll survive. A weird program. Ooh, that's good stuff too. PGO. I gotta post all this stuff. It just shows like where the timeline is. It's a very weird program. Yeah, I mean everything from the top to the bottom. I mean, except for now. What else we got? Oh, Planetarium for reals. Look, this stuff here is redonkulous. I mean, and it will zoom in. It'll tell you everything. I think it should be tied on to my time and stuff. Wow. Planetarium. This right here with your telescope should basically set you up for life. I mean, like Skyview or something for iPhone. This is definitely the predecessor. It just doesn't do augmented reality. It's crazy. Very tight program that will blow your freaking mind. Plant Tycoon. Classic. Definitely. Runs like a champ. Boom. It surprised you what would run on here. You know? I mean, whoopsie. Here we go. Yeah. Here's still one of my faves. Pocket Sieve. Unbelievable. Yeah. I'll play this all freaking day. All day. Build a new city. Whoopsie. Not tonight, bro. Then, oops. Polyglot. It's a translator of some sort. Yeah. English to French, and I've got a couple of different ones in here. Yeah. I guess these are word numbers. Like they have that many words. Whoa. Crazy. I'm not going to push the edge of the envelope until I'm there. SimCity. Oh, classic. Yeah. I mean, this one does kind of suck, though. That, we'll name our city that. But, yeah, it's great. You can go, no. Yeah, you can go up, down, left, right, or anything. You have to drag your ass around. That sucks. But when you're bored enough, that will be really cool. Solitaire. I think this came off another on one of these Zires. Not on this one for some reason. Even though it's touted is coming with all the freebies. Space Trader. Oh gosh, Spaceward Ho. Come on. I mean, damn. Especially with a 200 megahertz processor. Look at that. That shit just flies. Like, whoops. Yo, bro, I said go. Done. Intern. Boom. Yeah. I mean, dang. Spaceward Ho. Even on this, like, oh, you can, hold on, there is a way. Maybe there isn't to zoom it out. There is on the 130s and M130s and, yeah. Yeah, the buttons don't work so good on this, but hey, you don't need it. It's Spaceward Ho and you get it. It's badass. Oh yeah, Chess Genius. Definitely, if you like chess. Um, yeah, I know how to go. I should have pulled the Pink Queen's Gambit. Trade Winds, Tetris, Spy Hunter, Strategic Commander. I mean, all these. Strategic Commander's an amazing IR game. I mean, probably my favorite IR game. That and Monopoly and Scrabble. Hold on, where's Scrabble? Yeah, I mean, geez, Scrabble. And this number, and I may post it, but the number to get it for free is totally free. It's awesome. And you can IR this with anyone. It's really freaking cool. Yeah, Trade Winds, come on. Now, Trade Winds 2, probably not. Here, let's just see. Have I got anything going? Nope, not on this one. Oh. Failed. Huh. That's rando. Thought this was a pre-reg. Yeah, but still super cool. And you can go in and talk to people. I mean, yeah, y'all know with that work with palms that, I mean, you can get all this stuff for nearly nothing. Zap, I think the buttons, I mean, it looks great, but the buttons weren't 100% working with me. Yeah, I can fly, but I can't shoot. And I tried to rearrange the buttons. Yeah, I'm not sweating it. Alright. This gives you an idea of what is possible with the old Z22. Zire Zibulus 22. Yeah, I love the little guy. All right, y'all. Y'all take it easy. Have a good one.